Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie, and today we're out on a beautiful day out here checking out a 2024 250 Harris Grand Mariner. Right up here in the bow, you can see that we've got some massive loungers up here. You can fit several people, your entire friends and family can sit comfortably up here on these beautiful loungers with the cross stitching and the bolsters on the end here. Underneath each of these seats, you do have some storage compartments to hold all your toys and equipment while you're out on the water. And then on both sides, we do have 4 cup holders with USB plug-ins around these beautiful Grand Mariner accents. Then working on the way back a little bit, you do see we have this massive storage compartment stored in your center tune there. Very deep, goes pretty far, so you can store full-size skis, wakeboards, whatever you need in there. Then coming on back, you can see we actually do have twin captain's chairs on this one. All right, so these are full swivel and the adjustable armrests. And then over here on the captain's side, you can see we've got the raised helm. That provides a very comfortable ride on this boat. You know, it kind of sits you up, lets you see over the bow much better than without it. And then up here, you can see we've got the analog gauges paired with the NSX Simrad screen. Makes for a sporty look on the helm right here. Working our way back to the stern, you can see we've got this adjustable sun lounger here. It's got a couple positions for you. You can lay it all the way flat, and that lets you access your adjustable seat backs back here. You pick your angle you want to sit at, and then you can face forward while you're cruising down the lake. Also sitting back here, you've got plenty of sun coverage from this ultra tower that Harris has on here. This is a manual tower, so you just pop these loose and you can fold it right down in case you need to stow it away for putting it in a garage or going under a low coverage bridge, something like that. Then back here, you can see we've got this beautiful 300 Verado Mercury outboard. It's got plenty of power. You can probably hear that sport exhaust on there now. And then we've got this beautiful stainless tow bar. Lets you pull skis, wakeboards, tubes, whatever you're planning to do out on the lake that day. This boat's also equipped with the JL Audio Diamond system, so you've got 8 speakers on board with a downward firing sub. Lets you bump your tunes while you're having a great day. If you got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. And again, that's me, Blake Holbrooks at MarineMax on Lake Wylie.